Does vitamin C irritates your skin or it cause a dryness effect on your skin? Or you're just a new person who is trying to figure out to include this vitamin C serum in your skincare routine or not? Then this video is for you. Now, as per many research paper I have came across through and many influencers suggesting that it works as a wonder serum on your skin, let's see for ourselves if these facts are good or it's just a hype of the vitamin C. Hello guys, this is Niriksha Naik and welcome to my Build Your Skin series. Today I'm going to show you if vitamin C is good for your skin or not, should we include it in your skincare routine with SPF or not, when should we avoid it, how should we apply it, and lastly the top 3 serum which I found it like amazing for my skin which you should include in your skincare routine. So let's get started. Now, as per the research by Dr. Lim, he's a dermatologist and he has told that it is a very crucial ingredient in top 3 ingredients. Now, what are the top 3 ingredients? A, B and C. Now, this is not the alphabet which I'm speaking about. A goes for the retinol, B goes for the niacinamide and C goes for the vitamin C. Vitamin C, it helps as a skin protecting agent on the skin. It scavenges the free radical from the UV spectrum caused from the sun rays and also the pollutants. It causes a barrier skin layer on your skin with the SPF. It acts as an antioxidant, it reduces the pigmentation and increases the collagen level of your skin. Now, if vitamin C is all good, then why it is causing skin irritation on your skin? Or if you're gonna use vitamin C on your skin, then you should know all these tips and tricks which you should avoid to cause a better effect of vitamin C. First point, never use on a skin acne prone area. First, treat your acne, then use vitamin C. Second, I know there are many serum which works wonder on your damp skin as it increases the moisturizing level of it plus it absorption also. But this vitamin C should be used on a dry skin. It should never be used on a wet skin. Third point, do not put on the hand and then put on the skin. It causes the increase of the bacteria and it also wastage the vitamin C serum also. Like if you're putting in this damping and then putting, then it is a big no-no. You use this vitamin C 2 drops directly on your skin and you're good to go. Always use the correct serum for your skin type. For the oily skin, you should not go with the creamy texture of vitamin C. You should go with the water-based. And for the dry skin, you can go for the gel-based or with the serum-based vitamin C. You can never go with the water-based. It will cause dryness and itchiness on your skin. If you're a beginner, then you should go for the 5 or 10% of vitamin C. You should never go for the 15% of vitamin C. That high concentration will cause dryness or irritation on your skin. You should use this with glycolic acid or salicylic acid cleanser. Do not use this with a soap-based cleanser, as the soap-based cleanser will increase the pH, which reduces the effectiveness of vitamin C. First cleanse your skin, then use vitamin C, then you can use the moisturizer or sunscreen on the skin. Now, why to use sunscreen with vitamin C? This vitamin C should always be included with the SPF. If you're using this vitamin C without the SPF, then you're doing all wrong. It works as a wonder. It works as an anti-aging benefit agent, like a double agent it works, and it gives a firming layer on the skin which reduces the dullness, the pigmentation, and it also causes a great brightness glow on your skin.
These are the benefits of vitamin C when it is used in the morning time and these for the night time.
Now, these are the top 3 vitamin serum which I'm going to recommend for your use. You can include in your skincare routine. First one is this from Deconstruct. It has vitamin C in it 10%, ferulic acid 0.5%. So it is for the beginner. You can use it. It is a water based, like you can see. And I will suggest you this minimalist vitamin C serum which is in less concentration. The vitamin C serum in the high concentration you can use when it is suiting your skin and आपने ये बहुत time के लिए use किया होगा. Third, I will suggest Dr. Seth and Paula's Choice. There are many vitamin C serum which you should not use for the skin. उसके मैंने एक short बनाए हैं. I have linked down in the description as well. You can go and see that as well. If that's it from my side, I hope this video has helped you a lot for choosing a better vitamin C and how to use it with your skincare routine. अगर आपको और भी कोई suggestion है, कोई particular brand है, कोई particular product है, particular कुछ skincare है जो आप मेरे को चाहते हो कि I should review it, then please let me know in the comment section as well as you can DM me. I will surely look into it. And that's it for my videos. If you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Hope you have a good weekend. Bye bye guys.